my channel. So today I filmed a slick bun tutorial, as you can see, and it was really fast and easy. So if you want to see how to do it, then just keep watching. And we're just going to get straight into the video, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later.
Boy, you lead me to paradise. Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling.
So right now I'm just brushing out all the knots in my hair, and I'm using a teasing comb just because it gets my knots out super good and it makes it slick and like shiny.
None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it.
So now I'm just going to tie up my hair just so I can apply the gel and make sure it goes everywhere. And it just keeps my hair out of my face while I do it and makes it a lot easier.
Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Thought I get you.
Now that I put the gel in my hair, I'm just going to use my slick brush to slick it up into a ponytail. And yeah. So using my teasing brush, I'm just going to put gel on that also, just because it gets like the back super slick because it's like smaller. So I just put gel on there and then just slick it up like I was with the other brush.
Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us.
So I'm just going to put it in another ponytail so the gel can dry, and it will help it stay throughout the day. But I'm going to be taking this ponytail out before I do my official one. That's just how I do it. I don't know, it's weird.
Everything I need between both sides.
When I put it in a ponytail like this, I'm able to see all of the hairs that didn't slick down. That's why I'm using a brush to slick the rest down. And then I'll take it out and just do it again.
Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Thought I get you. Oh yeah, baby. Thought I get you. It'll take some time just to be thankful that I had days for.
Do it big, make it cry. Come on, hold this shit. Yeah, you so.
Titties cause they prove I could focus on two things at once. Hey, none of us would be here without come.
I always tease my hair before I put it in a bun because since it's already like curly, like wavy-ish, it just makes it bigger and it makes my buns look better. So now I'm just going to take my hair and basically twist it and just wrap it around until you form like your shape of what you want your bun to look like. And then just get your rubber band and tie it on. And it's okay if you have like loose hairs. I'm going to show you what I do. So taking a really small rubber band, I'm just going to put it over the hairs that are like flying away. And you can't even see it because it's like under all your hair. And to me, it just makes the bun look so good. And then just tuck any like loose hairs underneath the rubber bands. That's what I do. And if you want, you can just pull out like a little curl or something just to make it look cute. That was my bun tutorial. To finish off this look, I'm just going to add little hoop earrings and then some lip gloss because that always looks so good to me when people wear buns. But yeah, that was my tutorial and I hope you guys liked it.
Tell me what you're doing tonight. Oh baby, tell me. You know exactly what's on my mind. You know what's on my mind. So tell me what you're doing tonight.